Hey, it's Lisa Renee, and today I'm going to talk you through quickly how to build a weekly reset ritual, and it's going to help you clear the chaos and step into each week with intention, clarity, and purpose. It doesn't matter whether you're running a business or just juggling life at home. This is going to help. So step one is to pick your weekly reset day. Most people think Sunday, as Monday through Friday is a usual work week, but that's not the case for everybody. Pick your day. I don't care if it's Saturday morning over coffee. I don't care if it's Tuesday afternoon. Pick one day and mark it on your calendar. Step two. Now, everything is more detailed on my blog post, and I've linked that below so you can check that out. But step two is clearing the decks. Declutter your space and your mind. Clear those random pieces of mail laying on the counter. Go through them. You've got to get rid of the mess on your workspace. Do a brain dump. You got to clear your mind so you don't carry it through to the next week. So number two is very important. Step number three, review last week. What went well? Where were your wins? What didn't go so well? What got in your way? This isn't about judgment. It's about you learning, and so you can grow into the next week without worrying about last week. Step number four, you need to map out your priorities and your plans for the week. So now that your head and desk are clear, you're going to choose 1 to 3 main priorities for the week. Your work goals, your personal goals, your fitness goals. What are those priorities for the week? And that is mainly what you're going to work on. You're going to write them down and you're going to break them into actionable steps. Step number 5, you're going to schedule what matters. These are your non-negotiables. These are things that you have to do. Whether it's exercise every day, put it on a schedule, non-negotiable. If you have a date night, put it on the schedule, it's non-negotiable. Everything that's important for you, you need to schedule it like it's a real appointment because it's non-negotiable. Step number 6, set up your environment for the next week. Clearing space, cleaning up, organizing, make sure everything is ready. Now, if you work from home, that's restock your supplies that you use, your pens, your papers, your sticky notes, whatever you use. Get that restocked, charge your devices, close everything that you don't need. If it's just your workout clothes need to be arranged, this is important. Set up your environment so that it sets you up for success. And lastly, step number 7 is reset your mind. You've got to get your mindset clear. Take a moment to breathe, really breathe. Have a few minutes of gratitude, thanking yourself for everything you did and accomplished last week. Do a short meditation, a quick journal entry. You've got to get your mind right so you can start fresh for the new week. So let's do a quick recap. I'm just going to fire these off. Number 1, here's your quick weekly reset checklist. 1, pick your reset day. 2, declutter your space and mind. 3, review last week. 4, set 1 to 3 priorities for the whole week, max. 5, schedule your week that is non-negotiable. This is something I have a very hard time with family members. I work from home. My family member is at home all the time now, and I have a hard time reinforcing my time scheduled is non-negotiable. So that one's huge. Number 6, prep your environment. Declutter your spaces. 7, reset your mindset. That's important. Do it weekly, and consistent wins will create real transformation. And if this helped you, drop a comment below. Tell me what your reset day will look like. And I love hearing from all of you. And if you want, I've got a free morning checklist, a simple morning routine that can help you get going. I'll link that below. You can download that or get that for free as well. So, till next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.